So oftentimes when people are trying to determine the budget and what they're going to do with their house, there's a list of priorities and things they want to get done. But for instance, the master bathroom might be one of the things that's high on the priority list, and they want to know, what's it going to cost me to do a master bathroom remodel? The simple truth is that's hard for me to answer without seeing the space and understanding the complexity of the project. It's going to be very well dictated by the choices that the client makes, the selections they choose to put for the hard surfaces and the shower and things like that. You're not getting a master bathroom remodel done for $20,000. That's just unfortunately not going to happen probably. But for most of the time that we're dealing with the level of homes that we have here in DFW, people are wanting to go to a nicer surface on the countertops. Oftentimes we're replacing cabinets if it's an older home. We're going to probably be totally redoing showers. And with the system that we use, that's going to provide you with years of durability and worry-free use. We may be eliminating the tub. A lot of times the tub is not a hot button for people anymore, and sometimes it's a focal point. So it kind of depends on the specific tastes and the needs of the person. But it's not uncommon at all for a master bathroom project to be in excess of $35,000 or $40,000 and up, depending on the level of sophistication of the home and the taste of the client.